Sounds like you miss playing with your cousin Peachy.
Yeah, I do. I wish you hadn't moved around.
But Hooper, you can still be friends with your cousin Peachy, even though she is far away.
I can't?
Sure.
But how can I do that, Miss Boy? We can't play together anymore.
I have an idea. Why don't we all pick up where Hooper can stay in touch with his cousin Peachy, so we won't feel so sad that she moved far away. Come on, it'll be fun. First, let's visit our...
Civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning for the following counties or areas: Toledo, Copelo Heights, Shoreland, DeMille, effective until 6:27 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, October 4th, 2007. Random creatures have been spotted, so whatever you do, lock doors and windows, and do not look at them. If you look at them, you will be one of them. This is not a test. Random creatures have been spotted, so whatever you do, lock doors and windows, and do not look at them. If you look at them, you will be one of them.
But you don't have to be a monkey to want to figure things out. Let's see how some curious kids explored the same thing that got Curious George so curious.
Casey Parker, Little Mass, Catamity, as well as others. Little Sprouts also...
Tuck him in. No.
To watch the Red Nose Day benefit live on NBC.
Takes equal and
Civil authorities has issued immediate evacuation for the following counties or areas: Fort Wayne, Angola, Ashley, Waterloo, effective until 10:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, October 9th, 2007. Random people have been turning into pumpkins and turning into them. If they look straight at them, lock doors and windows, it may not be safe outside until further notice.
Which way?
A local area emergency has been issued. Stay inside until further notice. It may not be safe until it's clear.
Flavored dipper pizza is almost 2 feet of pizza. Guessing me when I'd buy stuff for the family. Finger hat.
This is not a test. A primary entry point system has issued an emergency action notification for the District of West Virginia. It's not safe to come outside. Whatever you do, don't look. You are not safe. Your life is in moral danger. Effective until October 12th, 2007.
Smart.
With Liberty Mutual.
Courses and degrees you need for the future and quality of life you want. Affordably, without big debts that can...
Please be advised that a local area emergency has been issued. For more details, please tune into Channel 1 for more details. Let's prioritize safety and remain vigilant at this time. Thank you for your attention.
I know what your family has been dreaming of.
Civil authorities has issued a local area emergency for the following areas: Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Maine, New Brunswick, Rhode Island, Ottawa, effective until 1:11 a.m., October 15th, 2007. Halloween may be canceled due to people turning into pumpkins. Take shelter now. If they see you in a corner of an eye, do not look. It's not safe to look, or else you will become one of them. Don't go outside. Lock doors, windows, anything that see though. Lock yourself in a room with no windows and remain silent.
We never stop trying to do better. So our fight is getting lower. The look on your face when you see those babies, that makes me smile.
Please now, you are not safe. Do not go outside. Do not look straight. Turn off your flashlights. This is a anti-national emergency for the Manitoba territory at 2:15 a.m. Canadian time. Residents have been disappearing during some parties even though they were not allowed to look. It's not safe. Please, you're not safe. You are gonna die. Don't trust the voices. They don't exist. Go to a room with no windows or glass doors. Hide in a closed room. Close your eyes and ears. If they tell you to look, do not look. They are infected. You will be one of them. This is from the Canadian government.
Your credit score. You don't live with mom and dad forever, do you?